Most beginners open CapCut and immediately feel lost. Too many tools, too many functions, and too many confusion. So welcome to the CapCut complete course from beginner to advanced. In the last lesson, we installed and set up CapCut correctly. So now let's understand the interface before moving to the real editing. This step is important and crucial because if you understand the interface, editing becomes very simple and very easy for you. First open CapCut, this is the home page. This button here is where every editing starts. Once you click it, you can select videos or photos from your gallery. This area you are seeing here is called the preview screen. Everything you edit will appear here. This helps you see your final video looks before you export it. So you can preview effect, transition, text, everything directly from this screen here you are seeing. Down below here you are seeing this like a ruler, like you are seeing drag material here is the timeline. One of the most important parts of CapCut. Your videos, audios, text and effects all appear here. You can move clips left, right to organize your videos. You can also cut and trim clips directly from this timeline. Don't worry, we'll practice that in the next lesson. You can see here, from here to here, you can see this is the edit tools. Now, the edit tools let you cut, split, crop and adjust your clips. And over here, this section is for music, sound effects and voiceovers. Here you have the text tool. Here you can add titles, subtitles down here. Now we have the effect. As you can see here, we have the effect over here. The effects help make your video look more professional and cinematic. And here again we have filters. Of course, filters change the overall look and mood of your videos. And here is the transition, of course, to yes, you see in between videos. This is the transitions. And here we have the caption, of course. When you are talking in your video and you see text beneath it, that's a caption. Okay. And now we have the overlay. Overlay allows you to place videos or images on top of another clips, which is actually very good and very professional. So now we have what we call the playback button. This place here you are seeing it. This control help you play, pause and preview your project. And this timeline also can be movable. Okay, you can see you can move the timeline like this. You can also move through your video frame by frame. When we talk about frame by frame, like each part. Okay, now in order to expand and contrast your timeline, you have this you add it, go maximum, reduce it, stuff like that, but you will come to use that more in the future video. Once your video is edited, the export button is used to save your video. You can choose quality and resolution before exporting. So now you've understand the CapCut interface like a beginner editor. So in the next video, we will start real editing by learning how to cut, trim, crop videos and arrange them professionally. Make sure to follow the full playlist because every lesson is built on the previous one. So as always, if you found the video helpful, help me subscribe, and if you have any issue, let me know in the comments, and please subscribe.